Hello everyone, I am here to present our project. I am from Mechanical Department BEB Division. The title of our project is Multipurpose Manufacturing Unit. Introduction. We are going to combine arc welding process, spot welding process, electric arc furnace in one unit. Arc welding, resistance spot welding and electric arc furnace are the widely used processes for joining of the metal workpieces, metal sheets and melting the metals for the casting purpose. Our project is based on principle of electrical resistance heating. Principle of electrical resistance heating states that the heat produced by passing an electric current through a material that preferably has high resistance. As the current passes through the material, ohmic losses occur. The losses causes the conversion of electrical energy into heat. Objective. The main objective of our project is to integrate these three processes in one unit, and that are spot welding, arc welding and electric arc furnace. Individual machine cost of these processes are very high. As we combine these processes in one unit, the cost get reduced and similarly space utilization also get reduced. It reduces time and efforts required to carry these processes. As the machine is portable and easy to operate, so semi-skilled labor and students also can operate it. That's why it is beneficial for institutes for providing practical knowledge about processes to students. As cost of the machine is reduced, so this unit is affordable for all institutes, fabrication shops, etc. And any person can carry the unit anywhere as it is portable. And the next slide will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Concept. In many curriculums like ITIA, Diploma and Engineering Institute, students cannot gain practical knowledge. So to overcome this problem, the concept of integrating these processes in a single unit is necessary. The block diagram represents the design of integrated multipurpose manufacturing machine. Input supply is given to transformer unit and its output is given to switch box. The switch box is used to switch the supply for the required processes between arc furnace, arc welding and spot welding. Methodology. Household power supply is given to transformer unit. We are using a microwave transformer which step up the current required for the processes. Manual switch box is used to switch the processes. High ampere current is utilized for the application. And the next slide will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Work execution. Now we will discuss about how we executed our project work. In the first image, you can see the typical transformer which is used in microwave oven. This is the transformer body, this is the primary winding, this is the secondary winding, and here we give the power supply. In the second image, you can see we removed the secondary winding of the transformer to modify it according to our project's or machine's requirement. Here you can see we rewinded the secondary winding of this transformer with the help of regular wire. We finalized this secondary winding with the help of our calculations and trial and error method. As we wanted our machine to be portable, we designed and fabricated a trolley with 4 wheels on its 4 corners. It can be carried at anywhere. In this image you can see we fitted 4 microwave oven transformers on this trolley with the help of nut and bolts, and we connected them in series. Third image shows the setup required for spot welding process, that is jaw mechanism. We builded it with the help of MS squares. We used copper electrodes to enforce the high current through the metal sheets to produce a spot weld. In this image we are running the arc welding process. The supply is given to the electrode holder and the clamp. The work is to be welded is clamped in clamp, and with the help of electrode we produces the arcs and continues the welding process. Due to COVID-19 situation, we couldn't build our third application, that is electric arc furnace. Our future plans. Many technical institutes like ITI institutes, diploma institutes and engineering institutes, they don't buy the setup required for these processes because of their high price. So in that situation, our project become very good product for them because of its less price and it requires less floor space. Our product can be affordable by small and medium scale industries, workshops and fabrication shops also. Conclusion. As our machine comprises three processes in a single unit, these three processes can be done at a single place. As our machine is portable, it can be carried at the workplace also. Because of its 3-in-1 ability, the cost required, the space required and the effort required for this machine get reduced. Thank you so much. Further you can see the video of our two processes.
Render सारा ही ओके इकडे चाललं की आता इकडं परत पासून